Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on the dark aesthetic color mood on Capcut. So first, import your clips to Capcut and then go to adjust and follow this settings. So set the brightness into -15 and contrast added to 10, saturation -15. Then set the exposure to 0, sharpen 65, and then add some highlight 20, shadow -5, then click on a tab and add it to 20, and then hue also 20, then add some vignette effect 10, and then go to filter and choose the mime effect and mime filter under the retro category. Okay, set it into 85 and then click on a check icon, then go to the filter again and now go to live and add salt filter. Okay, this one, and set it into 65. Click on a check icon and now you are done with the dark aesthetic color mood on Capcut. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye.